Welcome to our channel. We upload weekly videos covering all things programming. If you're looking to level up your problem solving, subscribe and join along this journey. Jose, what's up, man?
Hello, how you doing, buddy?
I'm
I'm
doing
happy, bro.
good.
I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good.
This is a little
Bro,
bit
I'm
weird.
excited, bro. It is, dude. It
Everyone,
is.
for everyone that's watching right now, we usually do live streams. We're experimenting. We're trying to switch from live streams to videos. They're still going to be the same show, the same, like, it's not going to be cut, right? If it is cut, it's to clear out some, like, dead space or something. Or maybe, like, a cat ran across Jose's screen or something like that. But we're still going to be doing the same LeetCode that we do. We're going to have a couple little bit more segments. So imagine this like a show. Maybe it's like a show now. Instead of a stream, it's a show. Be weekly still, and it's very exciting. We got some cool little stuff we want to do for everyone. And the ultimate goal is to be better problem solvers, to be more knowledgeable about the industry, and yeah. So this is one of our shows. It's just a more relaxed one, the normal one.
Yeah.
So me and Jose, we're gonna do LeetCode. We're gonna look through articles. We're gonna do our shoutouts and stuff like that. So another show, we have coaching. So we have our coaching show. Then we have our MVP show, which is gonna be minimum viable products. Our goal is to make sure that we complete an MVP by the end of the stream. So whether it's an hour 30 or maybe we go a little bit outside of it, the goal is to be an hour and 30. We complete an MVP. And then lastly, we have our system design, which will be more informative, just like the MVP and the coaching, in which we'll explain and educate on like what system design concepts are and stuff like that. Maybe some real world examples. So, Jose, how do you like it? What do you think?
Man, I'm excited, bro. I was now I was a little bit hesitant because I did like the stream and stuff, but now that you talked to me through it, we broke it down and stuff, bro. I got excited. I'm excited to make these shows. We got, segments such as Q&As, reading some articles of news related to technology, of course, LeetCode, and we got some shout outs too, and we're gonna be, giving some shout outs to the people who comment on our previous live streams and on the shows. So I'm excited, bro, especially for the MVPs and for the coaching ones and for the system design. I'm excited because I think doing them shows and recorded allows us, like you said, to be a little bit more free on how we structure the stream so it can be better for you guys, so we can better display the information and get our points across. And I'm excited, man. I'm excited, bro.
Yeah,
Yes, sir,
it is
man.
exciting. I think my favorite one, honestly, would be the coaching. So
Yeah.
yeah, it'll be the coaching for sure. So other than that, I guess let's just do our normal thing. Jose, how have you been? What you been up to?
I've been
what's
good,
going
bro.
on?
I've been good, bro. Just chilling, enjoying my last semester of school. Class has been pretty chill. I just got an email from a professor that he's doing some modifications to our last project for one of my classes, and pretty much the project became like extra more simple. So I'm happy for that. So I don't have
Nice.
less stress for me to think about. So I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm just happy. I've been really, really happy and stuff. How about you, my boy? How's everything going?
I've been good. Been good. School's been easy. Same thing with the projects.
Yeah.
Like I got the projects that are coming up that are due, but um, it should be fun. Should learn a lot from it, and then that's about it, dude. I've been cat sitting, so I just
Cat sitting. Ooh,
yeah.
okay.
So I'm just at my parents' cat sitting and stuff like that. So
Yeah. Yeah.
they have like 9 cats.
Oh,
So
damn, bro. 9 cats,
three of
bro.
them I grew up with.
Okay.
So the reason why they have so much cats is because one of the outside cats had babies. So it had 3
Oh,
babies, and then it had babies again. It had 2 other babies. So now,
damn, bro.
yeah.
That's
So
crazy, dude.
yeah, we gotta lock her up or
Oh,
something.
man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Nah, that's good, bro. That's good, man.
But other than that, I'm pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's good, brother. Yes, sir, bro. I'm excited, bro. Excited because this is our last semester, and damn, bro. Yeah, I'm having fun, and I'm glad you're having fun too, my guy.
Yeah. Yeah. But all
Yeah,
right.
dude.
Now it's time for the shout outs and answering y'all's questions. So, since we don't really get comments, but we're hoping if y'all want to be featured into the next
Yeah.
episode, please leave a comment below. Ask us a question. We'll answer for the next stream. We'll shout you out. Since this is the first time we're doing it, we're going to get some comments from the previous stream that we had, which potentially might be our last stream since now we're doing recorded shows. So let's switch to that. All right, so this was our last stream. We have Can a Freshman Solve LeetCode Problems? Really good stream. If y'all haven't checked it out, please go check it out. We had Mr. Simon here go over some LeetCode problems. We taught him about stacks, and then the problems that he was doing were stack related questions. So really fun, really cool, and this is what you should expect for any future coaching shows that we'll have in the future. So where we kind of just introduce them a concept and we give them two problems that are going over that concept. So yeah, go check it out. It's really cool, really fun, and you'll learn a lot from it. So right here, if we go to our chat, we have some comments from some viewers. I guess the first one, we have Rohith. Rohit says, "Hey guys, I'm trying to become a data engineer. I'm looking to master some important data structures like arrays, linked lists, queues, stacks, strings. What do you think is the best path to achieve mastery in these basic concepts?" Jose?
Ooh, I mean, I would say for data engineering, for what I've heard is that Python is the go-to. Python is the GOAT. Python is like the best thing for a data engineer. And for looking for a master's, what is the best path to achieve mastery? Yeesh, I don't know, man. Because I think I would say to like understand data structures first, like conceptually, like how does a stack work? How does it function? How does a queue? How does a tree? Different traverses of a tree, graphs, all that stuff. And then see how they relate among each other. Like for depth first search, might use a stack. Breadth first search, might use a queue. And then from there, once you learn the topic, apply it like in a LeetCode question, just like in the coaching coaching shows that we have, where we have a little segment, a teaching segment, like in this case of Simon, we taught him stacks, the different operation of stacks, how to implement it on Python, and then he applied it on actual problems. I feel like doing that with different topics, different algorithms, is gonna really help you master these concepts for sure.
Yeah, I think Jose's right on the dot. We did answer it in the thing, but just to kind of, for any other person that might be watching right now, wondering the same question, I can expand on it a little bit more. I mentioned there's like a lot of great resources, and there really is. I mean, you got websites like W3 Schools that could teach you like the concepts, like what's a loop, what's a while loop, what's an array, what's a list, what's all these things, right? But honestly, like even YouTube, like YouTube might even be better. Like you have channels specifically that are there to teach you the basics, or there's like a crash course that teach you the basics, right? Our channel specifically, like we don't really teach basics, but with our coaching series, we're looking to dive into the basics, how they work, and explain those for viewers that are beginners and might want to understand that. So the way I learned, and I think the way Jose learned, was definitely like we were introduced in school, but also like doing your own research as well helps a lot. The reason why I said there's a lot of great resources, because someone might prefer a certain resource like YouTube than a website like W3 Schools. So I didn't want to like be biased and say like, oh, use YouTube, whenever you might not think YouTube's the best. You might prefer like a website or something like that. So ultimately, I use like W3 Schools. I use YouTube. to learn those things. But the most important thing, if you really want to master them, and I think y'all know this, is to actually apply it.
Yeah.
Apply those learnings, the concepts, and apply them into a project, into LeetCode, into yeah, I guess those are the main things. Like apply them into those
Yeah.
platforms and your own personal projects, to where you can actually use them and see how they work and see where they're flawed and see which one might be better to use. So
Hmm.
when it comes to being a data engineer or engineer in general, your goal is to solve problems. Your goal is to be efficient. Your goal is to understand how things work and how to use them to their best ability. So think in that mindset, and think of these like arrays, linked lists, queue, stack, strings. Think of them as tools, right? They're tools, and how are you going to use them in order to solve a goal? So, great question, Rohit, and hopefully we get to see you again in the comments. If you want to comment again, we'll definitely answer another one. Next one we have Yanish Yanish.
Giannis.
We have JK. Okay, we're gonna just
Okay.
we're gonna use initials. We have JK. JK says,
Nathan.
"Hi guys, I'm thinking about learning programming. Which language should I learn first?" Again, we answered it, but for the show
Yeah.
purposes, Jose, what do you want? What do you think?
I would say Python. I think Python is a really straightforward language, easy to learn, easy to master. For LeetCode, pretty good. To solve for LeetCode is pretty simple to learn. The syntax is nice, it's clean. It also has a lot of libraries. One thing I like about Python is it has a bunch of libraries. So if you want to create projects, all that stuff and everything, Python has a bunch of things. There's probably a library for it, and it's really nice to learn and to just like explore around with it. And then if you're going to like more specific, more niche, right, things in computer science or development, you can start learning like C, Java, Golang, right, that specify in certain areas, right. I'm not saying that Python doesn't specify in certain areas, it's just Python is a little bit more general, easier to use. But, there's other languages that one can jump to if they want to focus on a thing. Yeah, I'd say that. I think that Python, I would advocate for
Yeah,
Python for sure.
I think simply to answer your question, like literally just what Jose said, if it's gonna be your first language, I think Python is a great introduction into the coding world, right? The learning
Yeah.
curve is less than other languages, so I think that'd be great. Other than that, I think that's about it. So thank you, JK. Thank you, Rohit, for commenting. Guys, if you want us to answer some questions, or if you're curious about something, or about us, or anything, put them in the comments below, right here. Put
Yep.
them in the
Yep.
comments, and we'll answer them in our next show. So,
Yes.
nice. I think that was pretty much it for the answering some comments.
The comments. Yeah.
The next thing we have is we're gonna do some articles. All right, so we're gonna switch tabs. Here is where we get some of the more tech related articles. We give our thoughts, our opinions, and again, we're very light with it, right? Like ultimately, Jose might have a different opinion. I might have a different opinion. That's better. We want different perspectives. We want all this stuff. So very open minded here. And very low stakes. Like it doesn't matter, right? So whatever Jose thinks, whatever I think, it doesn't matter. But it's
Yeah.
just we want to be open minded and just think it'll be pretty
Yeah.
fun to see what other people think about it as well. So Jose, what is it? What is this article, Jose?
The first article we got: Grand Theft Auto 6 delayed until November 2026. I think it has gone previously this GTA 6 has gone like a multiple like delays, I think like one or two. I think it was supposed to be released like December of last year or something. And then it got moved to until May of this year. No, May of 26, like around like May 26, 27, 28, around those days, and then it got delayed again. bro, for 6 more months until November something, November 19. Here in the article it says, man, I don't know, bro. I don't know, dude. Um, I'm hoping they delayed it because they saw some bugs, they saw some issues in it, and they decided to like, you know what? Let's delay it a little bit better, fix these things in order to like refine the product, right? So I don't know, man. What are your thoughts about this? Like, you know,
Dude,
GTA 6 is being delayed,
you
bro.
know, I feel like my 16-year-old self would definitely be super upset. I would be mad. I'll be like, bro, are you serious, man? Like,
Oh,
they had like
man.
15 years to do this, and
Yeah.
like, like, hurry up. Like, I'm so done with the other game. Like, there's no games to play. Like, boom. Like, I want this
Yeah.
out like ASAP, right? That's what
Yeah.
my 16-year-old self would say. Maybe even 18-year-old self would say. Now, dude, I'm not gonna leak my age, but now, dude, I think I don't really care that much. I'm excited
You don't
for it
care
to
that much? Okay.
release. I'm excited for it to
Uh-huh.
release because when I do play games, I'm just looking to have fun. You know, do some normal like just mess around and stuff like that.
Yeah.
GTA 5, more specifically, I played a lot of it whenever I was younger. Right.
Really?
I had a lot of fun with my friends and stuff like that. So it's more nostalgic for me for this game to come out. Like I want it to come out because I'm
Yeah.
imagining that fun that I had from years ago playing this game. And
Yeah.
also I think it's gonna be, you know, like it's gonna be very innovative. Like if you know one thing about Rockstar, they're really ahead of the curve.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
they're doing stuff that like no game has ever done before, no studio has ever done before. Like, and I'm just curious to know, like with AI and stuff, like how are they gonna incorporate that into this game? Like, there's already games that incorporate AI into it. Like you have Call of Duty that's
Yeah.
having like bots or something, right? And the bots
Yeah.
move themselves, right? And I'm sure the bots are getting a lot better with AI, but they're like there's levels to this. There's Call
Yeah.
of Duty, Fortnite, then there's Rockstar. That's like boom,
Yeah.
right? So
You're right though.
I think
You're right. You're right.
if I'm not mistaken, I think Rockstar are like definitely competing with Fortnite because Fortnite definitely did add another level to it. But I still think Rockstar's on top when it comes to innovation,
Yeah.
doing stuff outside the box. So we'll see why they're delaying it this much, but there has to be a reason. I know they right here it says something about like polishing the game or something like that, to add more polish, right?
Yeah.
I don't care. I'm just excited to see what they come up with, what they create. People go to jail for leaking stuff on like GTA. Like people go to jail for that. So like this is
Yeah.
like Area 51 level security GTA 6 has like. So they're clearly coming up with some crazy stuff. Like, right? They have to. Like I
Yeah.
better be able to make
No,
money.
yeah, and
I better be able to like make money off this game. Like I better be able to work in the game or something, or like I don't know,
yeah.
dude.
I
I don't
mean,
want to say anything else, but you know, like I better be
heard,
doing like a lot of stuff on the game. Like
no, I heard some people talking about crypto inside the game or something like that, and like different ways to make money.
uh-huh.
I don't know, dude. And like people are going crazy over this game and the things they can do. Like the trailer got released like a last year thing. The graphics were amazing, bro.
Mm.
Like everything, the physics of the game, like the people how it walked, the cars, the things, the lighting. It was great. It was great. Like you said, Rockstar doesn't mess. You know, it doesn't mess around. And you could see like a GTA games where from GTA 4 to GTA 5. Bro, that
Yeah.
thing was a huge jump, bro.
Yeah.
Like that thing, like I remember playing GTA 4, couple here and there, pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. GTA 5 came out. I didn't play as much. I played it like once or twice, but I did see a lot of like content of GTA 5. And dude, you compare both games, dude, and you could think like there was like a difference of like at least 10 years, 5 years.
Yeah.
But no, dude, it was like really close. And yeah, dude, GTA 5 like really revolutionized like how people saw online gaming and the community and all that stuff. So I'm excited for GTA 6, man. GTA 6 is exciting. Hopefully they do all these delays, right,
Mm-hmm.
are for a good reason, like you said. Because damn,
Yeah.
bro, I'm excited, and I'm on the same boat as you. GTA 5 came out. Damn, bro. Like I think I was like around 8 or so, man, 8 or 9.
Damn.
And yeah, bro, yeah, and dude, and it was. I remember everybody's crazy, dude. And
Yeah.
now I'm excited for GTA 6, and I don't think I'm gonna buy it. I don't think I'm gonna play it. Well, I'm gonna buy it, but I don't think I'm gonna play it as much.
Mm.
But I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it goes, man.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, GTA 6, man, getting delayed, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully, it's for the better.
All right.
All right.
Next.
Okay.
Next
Next
article.
article.
New lawsuits
Okay.
claim sorry. New articles claim ChatGPT harmed users' mental health. I'm gonna quickly read this.
And
OpenAI is facing 7 lawsuits from families across the U.S. and Canada who claim their loved ones were harmed by exchanges with the company's chatbot, ChatGPT. In 4 cases, those people later died by suicide, including a teenager and a 23-year-old man from Texas. The lawsuits allege that the OpenAI rushed its model to market last year without fully safety testing. In a statement, the AI firm called the situation heartbreaking and said it was reviewing the details of the suits. Dude, that's very sad, man.
That is sad, bro.
Obviously, we grieve for those
Damn,
family
bro.
members that had to go through
Yeah.
something like that. But it's scary times, Jose. Scary
Dude,
times.
for sure,
What do you think of
bro.
that?
Oh, dude, I don't know, man. Like ChatGPT, I heard a news coming out about ChatGPT that they released a model. I'm not sure if I think it's GPT 5 or something like that. And it didn't do so good. Like people didn't like it as much. Because it was the same as GPT 4 or something like that.
Uh-huh.
And so people were paying like a little bit more, like a lot more, but the performance was the same. And so GPT, what they did allegedly, I'm not sure, that I read it I skimmed through an article that they removed some of the restrictions of GPT 5 in order for people to feel more like attracted on using it. And these restrictions like varied among like different areas of like social, and yeah, like pulling out those restrictions, gives GPT like AI a lot of power, man, especially when it comes to like the content you can make there, the advice you can get, right?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, dude, it's if not used well, it could be a dangerous tool,
For sure.
and it can lead you to like different scenarios where you don't think you would be, right? So yeah, man, it's rough, bro. It's rough.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
I think it's definitely scary, and you got to be on edge
Yeah.
on whenever you're using it, right? Obviously, me personally
Yeah.
speaking, like I don't see AI as also AI. If you're watching in the future, like these are like don't hurt me, don't do nothing. Like I don't mean it. Allegedly, I think this.
Allegedly.
Like I'm cool with you. We're cool, right? Like nothing's going on with me and you, okay?
Nothing personal.
But
Nothing.
I personally use my own brain, like it's the determining factor of things, right? Some
Yeah.
might see ChatGPT as an end all be all. Like if whatever it says, boom, that's right. That's like where I should go. It's almost like a mentor, if you will, that some people use it for, and they go by the word of it, right? And you kind of saw that already before AI, which was with the internet. Like you see an article,
Yes.
right? And you see the headline, like how we're doing now, boom, and we read it, and then we see who wrote it, and then boom, and then like some people might instantly latch onto it and believe that's like the truth, right? But you're doing yourself disjustice by not using your own head to determine what's true and what's not. Like if you're just gonna go by the headlines, then you're kind of like doing yourself disjustice by claiming that's like truth or whatever. So
yeah,
I think you see that now like on steroids with AI. Like whatever you're being fed, you think people might think it's truth, right? Like a math problem.
yeah.
Like if you tell it to do a math problem and you don't know math, you say you're like, oh, it's
Ooh,
right,
bro,
like it's true. But
yeah,
if you knew math and you researched it a little bit more, you would know maybe it's not that true. Maybe it's actually wrong,
yeah.
right? So
Now that you mentioned that, bro, I have a bone to pick with GPT on that, bro.
yeah,
It gave me the wrong information.
like people, including myself, sometimes put a lot of trust into the internet, into AI, right? But if you try, like, especially for big decisions, you should definitely like do your own judgment on it, and don't let AI be the determining factor for it. Like, yeah, if you're doing like small little calculations, adding up, or like you're saying what are the best places in the U.S. to go visit, or like some basic what are the best foods to eat, like yeah, go ahead, like get its opinion, right? But if you're gonna do something life-changing and you're using ChatGPT for reinforcement or for advice, like that should definitely be not something that I advise.
Yeah.
But to each their own, honestly, to each their own, but that's just what I would think.
Yeah. Yeah, and I do agree with you. I do. I think GPT just like I don't know, it's not a really I do think that like when it comes to GPT, like it doesn't really consider it's very logical, if that makes sense. Like at the end of the day, it's like a computer, it's a model that thinks very logically, you know, and cannot really like determine feelings, thoughts, or like intuition on stuff that you would get from a regular person. So, you know, you might consider logically, but not might consider, you know, different aspects of what like the situation might be. So for sure, like Carlos said, you know, use it as a tool, right? But take it with a grain of salt. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Pretty much, bro. It's scary, dude.
It is.
AI is here. AI is here, man.
Yeah. We have our next article and last article. Meta included scam ads in revenue projections. Meta projected that ads for scams and banned goods would account for about 10% of its revenue in 2024, according to the report, citing internal documents. That's about 16 billion.
Ew.
Including 7 billion from ads classified as higher risk of being fraudulent. About 15 million ads in that category were served to users of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp every day. Meta estimated in December 2024. A company spokesman said the report distorts Meta's approach to fraud and scams.
Damn, bro. Dude, 60 billion, bro. 60 billion, bro. I mean, I don't know, dude. It's
definitely tricky.
It's weird because it is tricky. But come on, it's like 10% of the revenue. You know what I'm saying? Like
that's a lot of percent, like, dude. I think
that
that's
is,
a lot
but
of
like
percent.
it is a lot of percent, but they still got that 90%, bro. And we're talking about like if 60%, 16 billion, 99 times 16 billion, that's how much money they're getting. So I don't know, bro. It's 10%, bro. You know, I think they could sacrifice a little bit.
I think where people are getting upset is that they get scammed from these ads that are being allowed to be posted on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. And it's like a slap on the face that Meta reports that 10% of their revenue comes from these scam ads. Because remember, Jose, these companies, scam companies have to pay Facebook in order to put their ads to advertise on their platforms. Right? So the fact that people are getting scammed from these ads that Facebook is allowing, and then Facebook says, "Oh, we actually earned $16 billion from allowing these ads to go in," right? And of course, they
Yeah,
didn't say it like that, but in the report, that's how it's gonna come off to people, like,
like it says,
right?
yeah,
And of course, one of the spokesmen said, like, it's kind of misleading because obviously Meta is trying to stop these fraudulent ads, right? They're trying to stop it from
that
being
is
posted on
true.
their thing.
Yeah,
But that's kind of what the story is. The story is like people see that report and they're like, bro, like you're affecting people that get scammed. They're losing money. People are losing money from these scam companies that your company
yeah,
is
yeah.
allowing. And then in the report, we actually know the real amount that you're making, $16 billion from us getting scammed. Oh, and you're earning while we're losing, right?
Yeah, and
So
and also, it's like that's one side of the coin. The other side of the coin is how many scams and fraudulent like ads have they stopped? You know what I'm saying?
that's true as well. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
because like
actually very true.
yeah, like it's probably 10% of revenue, but if they let all the ads and all that stuff go, it might be like a lot more.
That would be a lot
So
more. Yeah.
yeah, so we have to see it in that way, like um of like how many ads fraudulent ads have they stopped for sure, because like you said, people have to pay to put these ads and stuff, and I'm assuming Meta has like a filter to detect
Yeah.
scams and all
Yeah.
that stuff, but the filter is not like 100% accurate or 100% like stops out the scams. So yeah, like yeah, I think people have to also like look at the other side of the coin, be like, hey, we stopped X amount of
Jose,
scams and
they're
stuff.
not
And
gonna
this
look at the
past-
other side of the coin if they don't have any coin to look at.
Ooh, you're onto something there.
They
Okay,
just lost $100 thinking they're gonna get
that is
a
true. That
damn
is true. I didn't think of it that way. Yeah,
a gadget,
yeah.
a kitchen gadget or something
Hit your gadget,
that like
some
cleans all the
Shane.
dishes in like one go or something. They thought that's what they're gonna get. Now they get the box or whatever, or the shipping costs $30, and then they get it and then there's
Yeah.
nothing in there. Like, or it's like
Damn,
it's like
I
nothing.
didn't think about it. Yeah, I
But
didn't think about it.
yeah, Meta has a tough job. Like that's a big responsibility.
Yeah.
Like whenever you display ads, like how ethical can like you gotta be very ethical. There gotta be morals that you gotta abide by. Like you're not gonna put
Yeah.
ads for anything. You can't put like there's bad people out there that will put ads and stuff. So
Yeah.
very tricky, very tricky situation. Yeah, there's a lot of I don't really
Damn.
have a solution for that. That's not my job. Thankfully, that's not my job.
that's
So
that's not
I don't
our
gotta
job.
worry about a solution. So all right.
Yeah, but
Sounds
alrighty,
good.
brother.
All right, everyone. That was the first beginning of our show. Again,
Yeah.
if y'all want us to cover anything, please comment below. What are your thoughts on these articles? Tell us what you think. Whether you think GTA should have been released already, you think Meta should already have, they're worth trillions of dollars, right? Do you think they should already have a solution for this? And also the GPT, like, do you think there's an age limit to GPT? Do you think there needs to be background checks? Like, what do y'all think?
Yeah.
Let us know in the
Ooh,
comments below.
background checks for Jamie.
Yeah,
Yeah,
something.
bro,
I don't
that
know,
is-
dude. We'll see.
That is yeah, damn. And also, two things. If you guys have ran into like a report or article that seems interesting, technology related, stuff, let's put it in the comments below. And also if you guys wanna, I know we mentioned, but I forgot to mention, that we have coaching, right? Videos and shows. If you want to be part of those, please leave in the comment, and we'll see what we can do. Alrighty, brother. You
Sounds
ready
good.
for the
Yeah.
next part of the segment? Some LeetCode. Of
Yeah.
course, we want to keep the essence of the channel because that's how we started. That's how we did it. We want to add a little bit more flair to the shows. Talk more, be more relaxed, share our thoughts, share our experiences, share our opinions about things that's going on in the tech world. but also going back to roots and trying to finish one or two problems, LeetCode problems within the show. Yeah, today we got strings. We got 2 problems. Carlos is showing, displaying the first one up over here, 6052, defuse the bomb. And if you're ready, I'm ready, my boy.
Yeah,
I'm good.
All right. Let's go ahead and start. I could read it off if you need me to.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so we have 1652, defuse the bomb. It's an easy topic, and it says you have a bomb to defuse, and your time is running out. Your informer will provide you with a circular array code of length n and a key k. To decrypt the code, you must replace every number. All the numbers are replaced simultaneously.
Damn.
If k is greater than 0, replace the ith number with the sum of the next k numbers.
And a speech therapy section in here too.
Come on, dude. If k is less than 0, replace the ith number with the sum of the previous k numbers. If k equals 0, replace ith number with 0. If code is circular, it says, as code is circular, the next element, code n-1, is code at index 0. And the previous element of code at index 0 is code n-1. Given the circular array code and the integer key k, return the decrypted code to defuse the bomb. You done, dude?
What am I doing,
you done
bro?
laughing at
What
me?
am I doing?
laughing?
Dude, I was never laughing at you.
Alright,
I'm excited.
I'm gonna look back at the show, and I'm gonna make sure we'll discipline you or something. Figure it out. Okay, example 1, we have input code, and then the code has 5714, and k equals 3. So the output is 12, 10, 16, 3. The explanation, each number is replaced by the sum of the next 3 numbers. The decoded code is 7 plus 1 plus 4. 1 is... The next one is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. The next one is 4 plus 5 plus 7. The next one is 5 plus 7 plus 1. Notice that the numbers are wrapped around. I'm confused, dude. The next one
we'll see.
Next one we have code 1, 2, 3, 4. K is 0. When k is 0, numbers are replaced by 0. Oh, okay. Example 3. Code 2493, k equals -2. The output is 12, 5, 6, 13. The decrypted code is 3 plus 9, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 9 plus 4. Notice that the numbers wrapped around again. If k is negative, the sum is of the previous numbers. Okay. So 7. Length n and the key, all numbers. If the k is greater than the I, replace the ith number with the sum of the next k numbers. Replace the ith number with the sum of the next k. Okay, so 5. Replace it with the sum of the next k numbers. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so perfect. And then 7, we replace 1, 2, 5. Next, we've replaced 1 with 4, 5, 7. Perfect. Place this one with 5, 7, 1. Okay, that makes sense. If it's negative, replace it with the previous k numbers. So this one, 2, and you're gonna get 9 and 3. This one you're gonna get 2 and 3. This one you're gonna get 4 and 2. This one you're gonna get 9 and 4. Okay, that makes sense. All right.
Makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So.
Okay.
I guess we could. I mean, I feel like I've talked a lot. I want to pass it to you.
Okay.
Should we?
All right, I bet. Yeah.
Should we comment like a general solution, or what? Or explain kind of like what's the problem saying again, or no?
I
Or
think
you
we
think
could
we already
explain
got
like I think like we got that. I think so.
that? Okay.
So we can kind of like start thinking out loud a little bit to see the different approaches
Mm-hmm.
that we can come up with. So first of all, if statements, right, to check the first three cases. So like probably check if case greater than 0, equal, and or less than 0.
Okay.
Yeah, and then so I think the easiest one to implement is k equals 0. We just have to replace everything with zeros, pretty much.
Yeah.
Example 1 though, that one's like example like whenever it's like bigger than 0 or less than 0, those are interesting. So I saw in the constraints that it doesn't wrap around, like it does wrap around but not a full circle. So for example, if we start at 7 on example 1, k, right, we're never gonna touch 7 again, so we're not gonna do a full circle. So we're just gonna do 1, 4, 5. Yeah, that constraint right there. Yeah, so k is never gonna be 4 because 4 would be 1, 4, 5, 7, so we don't so we can like skip that step of figuring out if it's if we already are in that element per se.
Okay. So basically,
yeah.
we need to have a. Also, I sent you the invite to the problem.
Oh yes, yeah.
So basically, if we reach the end, we start back at 0, and we have a counter of k.
Yeah.
A k counter or something. We subtract it. Yeah, and then this constraint is really good. So that means we don't have another thing to worry about. We won't pass the initial starting point.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay. Alrighty. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So, are you thinking? And my initial thoughts are like, we have if statements. If k is this, if k is that, k that.
Yeah.
And in each one of them, we have the logic for each one. We lost Jose. Now, okay.
Now, so
we're back.
if
Sorry,
you guys saw,
we had a technical difficulty. We're back.
Technical difficulties.
Where are we at,
Are we
Jose?
back though? If statements. You said you wanted to do some if statements.
Yeah, so
we can do
we
that.
can have that, like if statements, and then inside of it we'll have just the logic in each if statement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Seems fair.
So if statements, and then have the logic in each section. Okay. So we could say if k greater than or k equals 0, then what does it need to be?
Ooh.
All zeros?
It has to be us. Yeah.
So array
Yes.
has to be all zeros.
And I think, can I try something here?
Yeah.
Because I think we can do return 0
times k
times the length of
k
code. I think.
Yeah.
Code, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like I think that would work.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Then we
Yeah.
have elif k less than or k greater than 0. Then that means we need to sum up all next
Sum of value.
k numbers.
Yes.
For each one of them.
Yes.
So that would involve like a for loop or something. Hold on.
Yeah.
Dude.
Damn, bro. You
I'm
sleepy
yawning
today.
I'm yawning.
You sleepy.
That involves probably a for loop for the initial iteration, and then I know there's probably a better way to do this, like prefix sums. Oh, maybe prefix
Yeah.
sums might be the best.
Ooh. Okay.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. I like that. I like that.
Prefix sums.
Oh, yes.
It's just a
that would work.
circular, so that might be a little challenge though.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how about we just do it normal? Like we do a for loop, and then inside
Okay.
the for loop, keep going till you reach K or end, and then if you reach end, start at index 0.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll say for I for index in range lane
Yeah.
code,
Okay.
we'll say we have a counter K, so counter equals K. We'll say
Ooh, should we do
say-
another for loop?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So this would be in here. And for index and range, and I guess you could say, oh, let me just do I. For I and range. So this.
That would be.
Do you need to do that? You don't need to do range. For I and code.
Okay.
Wait.
I think so. No, because we're working with indices. Maybe we might need to work with the indices.
We need to work with indices for the second for loop. This one just
Okay.
iterates
Yeah.
over the top.
You're right.
But maybe do we still need one for I and code?
Yeah, because we're replacing the value at I with a new value, with the new sum, no?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. So at the end of this, we'll replace with new sum. So we'll have sum equals 0.
Yeah.
So
That sounds
for
about
J
right.
in range I plus 1 to
Ooh. Oh, damn.
So for loop then. Wow.
While loop.
While loop. I mean, wait. Wow.
Bro.
How would you do this? Okay. While true.
Okay.
We'll say R equals I plus 1. This is the moving pointer. Okay. And I'm imagining that this pointer is gonna keep moving, boom, 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 all the way, right? So, you're gonna say news if R is less than equal to the K, and R is less than the length of code.
Let me see. I think
If
this true. We can.
Look, this is gonna keep going. It's gonna break whenever one of these conditions are done. That's why the true is there. And the reason why we can't do a while loop is because the condition is like we still need to.
Yeah.
If it reaches the end,
I was thinking.
We just start at the beginning.
Because I was thinking of doing some like count equals to 3, while count not equal to k, right?
Oh yeah.
And k would be a counter, yeah, and set this thing to like 0, and then we just increment counts.
Yeah, that works.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So our.
Okay.
So then we don't need this.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. Yes, you like that. Yeah. And I think this should be, yes, if r less than length of code. Yes.
R equals 0.
No, it would be greater than, no?
Oh, yes, sorry. Else.
Yeah.
Else R equals 0. And then
Okay.
you do new sum plus equals code R. And then you do count plus equals 1.
Yeah, and
same
we
for
move
this one. New sum plus equals code R. And then count plus equals 1. And I think you just said it right now. R plus equals 1.
Yeah.
Or
and here to
this one you gotta move it to?
Yes. Yeah, because you already did 0.
So then we'll do
you do now next one.
0.
The next one is doing.
And then R equals 1.
That's some good math in there, bro.
Good math.
That's some good logic.
Some good math
I like
in there?
that. I like that. That's some good math. That's some good math.
That makes sense, right? And then right here, like we replace the new sum. So we say we'll say code at
I will equal new sum.
Wait a minute. I see a problem.
Oh, where at?
We add a new sum. We can't. It's not in place. So we have a res. We need a res.
What do you mean it's not in place?
Like.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, I see. Yes. You're right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to have a.
I equals new sum.
Yeah. You're right about that. Okay, dude. Okay, this is. Yeah, let's see. Let's run it through. Make sure. For I range equals length. Count new sum. Okay. Counts k. So we start in the beginning. We're doing at 7, and then the sum is 7 plus count 1. We go 1. Then we do it again. Ooh. Oh. 919. Would it be outside though? Like outside the while loop, like before? Like right in here? Like r equals I plus 1? Here, nay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because every while loop is gonna, this thing's gonna reset to I plus 1.
Oh shoot! Yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah.
Now the next thing we gotta check right here though is, what if there's only one element in the.
Oh.
So you gotta say
we're gonna,
if I plus 1
greater than the length.
Less than the length of code, right?
Yeah.
Then
my computer's dying. Oh.
R equals 0.
I got it right here. Yes.
Or just I plus 1 if it's greater than Then what? What do we return?
We return.
Code.
Yes, I believe so.
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
Or would
Seems
they?
like
Or
it,
would
yeah.
would they even give us a K?
I think
If it's one,
yeah,
the K
like on
would
the
be 0. No.
it's 1.
If there's only one element in the array, would
Oh.
K just be 0?
Oh.
But it doesn't
You might
hurt.
be
It
onto
doesn't
something.
hurt to have this though, just in case.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Yeah, but it would make sense if we only had one element to be 0. But yeah, let's keep it like that just in case. Just in case.
Because if I plus 1 is greater than the length, then that means you can't iterate.
We're out of bound. Yeah. Yeah. Or wait a minute though. Let's think about like 4. Right on example 1.
4.
We still have to loop around.
Oh yes. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. So yeah. I didn't. Yeah. If it's greater, just set R to like 0, pretty much.
Wait. No, this was still. The length of code is 4. And if I. Oh, I see what you're saying. 3. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Set 5, 7, 1.
But I don't think we'll have this issue.
Like, cause 4, then you do I plus 1. That's like bigger than the length of code, right? So we're gonna return code.
No, I don't
which
think we'll
is just
have the issue that we need this at all.
Oh, okay. I see. We can delete it. Yeah, we can delete it.
Okay. So how do we feel about that?
Yeah. And wait a minute. Yeah, the 4, the I plus 1 thing. Yeah, the while loop covers it. Okay, nice, perfect. Yeah. Sounds fair. Yes.
Okay. So now we have 4. We can do the same thing. And range. And you could do it negative, right? Couldn't you go reverse with the range?
Like flip them? Oh yes, like go backwards? Yes. You just have to go 0 to the length of code and put a -1 like that. -1.
Okay.
Yeah,
Will we do I though?
Ooh. Oh.
Wait. Or nothing at all.
I'm not sure if you can do nothing at all though. I think you have to have like something like a starting point to have the skip.
Can we search it up?
What do you mean?
Like search up how to.
Oh, search it up. Oh yes.
Go.
In a for loop, Python. Oh, we can do reverse, like reverse the entire list. And we can do okay, so we can also do some like this, some like that.
Okay, yeah, we do that.
Where this is the starting point, it's the end, and this is the ending point, which is -1. So you're gonna stop at 0.
I see.
But yeah.
But we need to start at I though. We can't start at the end.
Oh, why do we need start at I?
Because you start at I and go back.
Oh, so you're trying to do the sum, like the summation, like within the for loop.
Well,
Okay.
we're doing like I think we could just reverse it then.
Yeah. Oh, you're trying to do the same thing in here. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, I think we can just reverse it then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So code equals reverse. Is it reversed?
Yeah, reversed.
Okay. And we just say
Copy
no, this still wouldn't work.
So.
Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, no, sorry. I got it all confused.
Ooh.
We do the same thing for I in range lane code, right? So what we gotta reverse is this while loop. So we do the same thing. Count equals 0. New sum equals 0. R equals
I minus 1.
R equals -1. -1.
-1.
Yes.
Oh, so. Oh, you lost me there. You lost me there.
Because you start at the end.
The end? No, I think you start.
Or we have a special case that it says if I equals 0 or because basically like here's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We do while count not equals 2 to k. Then we say if you reverse if you reverse it, could you do it if you reverse it?
Yeah, I think you can.
It'll
If
be
we
the same
reverse
thing.
the array you will have to reverse it, then reverse it back at the end. Yeah, reverse it back at the end.
Okay. Yeah, because this is a little bit more tricky. Let's just okay. I'm sorry again.
All good, no worries.
Let's do this.
I'm following your lead, brother. I'm following your lead.
Let's do new code. Then we'll say new code equals reverse code. Okay. That looks fine. New sum plus equals code R. Yep. New sum. Blah blah blah. Yep.
And then over here,
we return reverse. Res.
yes. Res equals code right here. Yeah. Oh, yes. And then once, we also have to return it over here. So we're gonna go return res right there. That sounds about right.
All right, let's see. Holy smokes!
You want me to run it on my end?
I can run it.
Okay, let's see. Oh.
Reversed. Okay, couldn't
Oh.
you say?
Oh, let me see.
Can't you say code?
And then colon -1. Yeah. Yeah, I think reverse is used to as an iterator, so I don't think it returns for some reason a new array. Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Hold.
That's not good.
The G-force, come on. Freak,
Damn.
man.
Damn.
Oh. It's the while loop. Count plus.
Yeah. Let's see. Mm,
Hold on, I need to go turn up this AC. I'm cold.
Okay. Yeah. I'll try and see what the error is here, cause it is the while loop. Okay.
Okay. Where are we at? This is what's this case? 2493.
R is plus 1, right? We do plus 1, and then
That's right. It's the -2 one.
Oh, we have to do it absolute. We have to get the absolute value of A, because it's -2, and since we're reversing it, we gotta reverse.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Brilliant. You're brilliant.
There you go. Yeah, that should probably maybe. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna run my end that way. I got the results. Okay, let me see.
As it goes
Okay.
more, it keeps adding more. So we're doing something with
Are we resetting use some? No, yeah, we are resetting use some. Each iteration.
But each iteration we're saying res equals code up here. Or are we?
No, because it's outside the for loop. So we got 12. And then we said 1, 5, 10. We got 10, 17. Then we got 4, 9, 16, 16 plus 17, that's 33. And then 5, 7, no, 6, 12, 13. Whoa. Damn, how do we get 62? That's 33. How do we get 62?
I got it.
That's...
Okay. We're not resetting new sum after each. Oh. Are we?
I think we are, no? Because the for loop loops through each of the values, so we're kind of resetting, no?
Yeah.
Well, count is not k. R is less than length. New sum plus equals to R. Count on. So that moves us to 1. So we get 12. And then 7. 7, that's 2. So R is 2. 2 length less than length code, which is 4. So yes. Then we add 1. We add 1. Then we add counts. Then we add 4. So 4. Let's hit there. 4. That's 5. Count is 2. R is 5. No, so it's 0. 5. It's 1. It's 1. R plus equals, that's 3. Interesting. Interesting.
How about we print
Okay. Zero, 7, 8.
Doesn't do the 4.
Yeah. I think it does it, but it doesn't print out because 4, we already reached 3, so it skips out of the while loop. So the new, like if we put the while loop inside the if statement, like the if and the else, I think we can be able to see all the values. Like if we go some like at the end right here, something like that, and we run it, I think we're gonna be able to get the 4. Yeah, 7, 8, 12, 1, 5, right? And then 17. One, we get the 5, and then we have to get to the
5 plus 12 is 17, and then
5 plus 12 is
16
17.
plus 17.
It's 33. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. 29 plus 33 equals 62. Yeah.
So it's
Oh,
accessing the previous one. So there's something here that's not resetting.
So 5, and then huh. That is interesting. Very interesting.
I think it's how this works.
Okay.
Like you gotta make a copy, like, or no?
What do you mean? Like you think res is creating a copy? Or
Like res is still code.
oh, I
It's not a
see. I see. Like
copy.
yeah. That made sense. That would make sense. Let's see if we can. Let's see.
Is there a copy
Let's see if we
function?
can do
Or
res dot 0 times length of code. Maybe like that. You might try it out and see what happens.
no, if you change code, if you change res, would code be the same? So we see like
If you change,
we'll say res equals code. We'll say code at 1 equals 100. And you say print res. Or no.
I think yeah, I think you're right.
say
It creates a
res-
It creates a reference.
Let's see.
Yeah. No, I think you're right. I think you're right. You're on the right path.
You see that?
Yes. Yeah.
So is there
Yeah.
a copy function?
I'm not sure if there's a copy function. There's a dot copy.
Dot copy?
I like some like. I think this is gonna work because I'm not sure. This copies a numpy thing.
Okay.
All
Running
right,
it.
let's run it. Running it. I'm running it too.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Fixes that one. This last one is 1256. It's like the opposite.
Huh.
We made a copy because
Um,
it was still referencing the
yeah.
code array.
Yes.
So now that we did that and we ran it, this one solves, but then this one is getting error. And if you look at it,
Yeah.
it's showing 1256, and then over here we literally reversed it as 6 5 12 13. And yeah, this is interesting. So it starts.
Yeah, it is.
Like it's only right here that's messing up. So
Yeah.
what if we don't reverse? Oh no. What if we don't reverse and we reverse at the end?
Okay.
Wait. No, sorry. What if we do this?
Okay. You want to run it?
We're running it. Let's see.
All right. Let's see. Ufas.
We get 13, 12, 5, 6. Okay, still the same thing.
But why is that like? Like we get the 12, 5, 6. Oh, 13, 12, 5, 6. Huh. That is interesting. Because if we reverse it, if we go with the solution we're getting, that should be 3942. 3942. That is 9 plus 4, 13, 15. Yes, no? Oh no, it's going by twos. So would that be 13, 6, 5?
I think here's the reason, Jose.
Okay.
It's because it's still. Oh, okay. Right here, where it says I, we're gonna say instead of I, we're gonna need to put it at the end, or.
Oh, we got this.
We're reversing
Let me
it,
see.
and then we're still doing the same logic. I don't think that's valid though, because if you gotta go backwards, it wants you to start from the back and then over here. If you reverse it, you're not starting. You're missing those letters. Still.
Okay. Oh.
Numbers, I mean. Like, just because we reversed it and we're going the same way as before doesn't mean...
Yeah. It doesn't mean that we're gonna get the same answer.
Yeah. But the fact that it's only messed up right here makes me question if we just do a little bit of finagling.
Okay.
A little bit of finagling. We could say...
what about...
Go.
Oh, no, never mind. No. Never mind. Yeah, continue.
We could say, just for the sake of us solving the problem, we could say from new code to -2. Okay. Oh,
What is?
sorry. Res. We have let's return. We have 13 and 12.
5, 6. It's because the 13.
We need turn res. We need 6, 5.
Okay.
We need
Let me see.
12, so we do 1 to the end.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
1 to the end, so we say,
Oh, you're trying to swap them.
yeah, we say res2 equals
No pause, bro.
res2. Then
Okay.
we say res2 plus plus it'll just be
Are you trying to skip the first one? Like the first element?
hold up. Yeah. Oh, plus
Yeah, oh.
res2 0.
Okay. Okay. 5. Is
res2 dot append res 0.
0? Return res 2?
Or would it be -1 0? Oh. Return res 2.
That's how you do it, boys. That's how you do it. You figure it out and you keep on going.
So where are we at? So not 0, -1. Woo! Let's go! I don't even know if this will work, dude.
Okay, let me see. Let me see if there's more. A couple chess cases. Oh, there is. There's a whole list of them.
Where?
Let's
Okay.
see.
I
It's
don't
like
know.
on the first page. Yeah. Oh man, dude. If this works, dude.
Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it.
Oh.
Come on,
Yeah,
man.
you were a little bit too late, bro. You were a little bit late.
Wait.
Oh.
I missed one. I missed one.
Damn. Damn.
Why did I miss
How
one?
did that happen? Did you change any of the code?
No.
I'm gonna run mine and see if that works.
I run all of it. What?
No, mine's working. Can you share your screen on Discord?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can help you out of here a little bit. See. Oh.
This one. Copied it.
Yeah.
Go here. Go here. Paste.
Uh huh.
Run.
What the hell? That I didn't get that. Wait, did we get the? Is it case 8 or 7?
7.
Wait, I don't have the test case on my end.
November 18th test case that I got.
Yeah, November 18. I don't. Let me see. Let me maybe. Let me see if I can. Yeah, for some reason, I didn't get that test case. See, maybe mine's gonna. Yeah, mine failed. Yeah. I didn't get the test case. Ufaz. All right, let's see.
Dude! This problem. Okay, I think
Okay.
I think we should just scrap all this and do it the hard way.
The hard way. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Scrap. All right.
I think we were on the right place though.
Res equals code copy. Boom. We got a copy.
Okay.
Now
Got a copy.
we need a for loop, but we go backwards. So for I in range, len code. Boom. We're iterating through each one. Count
Okay. Yeah.
equals 0. Simple.
Yeah.
New sum equals 0. Boom.
Because
R
yeah.
is where we're getting confused at. Because if
I think it's R
we're
equals...
here, if I is 0, R starts over here.
Yeah. It's because I think it's the same logic like as the other one, but we just have to tweak those little things.
So let's just
Like
say,
for example,
go.
like yeah, like for example, R here is gonna be I minus 1. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
We're going backwards now,
Okay.
right? Yeah, pretty much. Yes. Uh huh.
No.
If R is greater than.
If
Okay.
R
If R is less than 0, right? Because now we're in the negatives.
yes. No. Yes. No.
Yes. Oh yeah, if R because if R is negative, which means it's below 0, we have to wrap it around to the beginning.
If R is greater than 0, then
we get the new sum
the
plus
new
equals code.
sum
Uh-huh.
code plus equals code R.
And position. Yeah.
Count plus equals 1. R plus equals 1.
Minus equals 1. No, minus, because we're going back.
Oh, yes. Minus equals 1.
Yeah.
Else, new sum plus equals code.
The length of code minus 1, I think.
Yes.
Okay. Then that will equal to
The length minus 2.
I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yes, 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 yes. And K, we have to get the absolute value. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then after this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That sounds about fair. That sounds about right.
Running.
Ooh.
Okay. Let me get the actual. Let me reset. Run. Okay.
Ooh. Okay.
Is there something right here?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me run my test cases. That way I can get a closer look. Let's see. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold this anymore. Have you ever been on Disney on Ice thing?
No.
No?
Now's
Me
not the
neither.
time,
Me
Jose.
neither. No, is that okay? Okay, okay, okay.
We're locked in.
Let's lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Okay, okay, okay.
So
Code
count.
equals R. Count is 0. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it is going to be. So if it's 0, it's gonna go over here. We're gonna say code 3. So now sum is 3. Plus equals 1. Equal 9. And then R is 9. R is 0, 1.
Got it.
Oh, you got it? What was it?
I think I got it. I
I
put
didn't even.
R equals greater than equal to 0.
Ah.
Let's see.
Nice catch.
Perfect. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Because I was
Damn, bro.
I was looking at it at the array, and I was like, if we're at 1 and I minus 1 0, this won't ever run.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we're
you're
just
right. You're
skipping
right.
that.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Nice catch, bro. Nice catch. That
Real
is
nice.
crazy.
Okay.
Damn, bro.
How do we feel?
I feel good, bro. Let's submit it, man. Let's submit it. Let's go.
Okay. Do we have any other print statements? Let me double check. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Submitted.
Baby.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hit it with the yay.
Okay. 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 We good now. Damn, bro. That was crazy. Oh man.
This problem annoyed me.
Bro. For some reason I thought that was gonna be easier. But the whole switch, I don't know.
I just think
It's weird.
I think it's fine. It's just that I was hungry. I couldn't concentrate. I was losing focus. I got,
That is true.
like, it was just so.
Yeah. Yeah, I get you. I get you though. I get you. Damn.
Finally.
Finally, it's over. Okay, man. Damn,
All right.
bro.
Well, let's see.
Alrighty.
All right, folks. Well,
Alrighty.
All right, folks. This was another episode of our coding show. We used to do live streams. Now we're gonna be doing videos. But
yeah,
it's the same show. It's the same live show. It's just videos now. Obviously,
Yeah. Yes.
sometimes we might pause in between if something happens, but we're still gonna jump back up, jump back in, and it's our actual
Yep.
like thought
Yep.
process. Um, the only prep work we do when it comes to these problems, these LeetCode problems, is just finding the problems, right? And
Yeah. Pretty
and
much.
that's it. We don't know how it's solved. We don't know the best way to do it. So it's still a learning experience for us. And then yeah, we have other types of shows. We have our coaching series. We still haven't done our MVPs yet, but we have them here. Our MVPs and our system design. Those are gonna be part of our shows. So we have 4 different types of shows, 4 different types of content. It'll be really good. Leave comments below how you would have solved this problem.
Yeah.
Right? This is how we solved it. Boom, here's the code. And y'all probably might have a better solution, or maybe y'all don't. I don't know. Y'all tell us. So hope you enjoyed. We reviewed these 3 articles. We answered some questions from the comments. If you do want to be featured in the coaching series and for us to coach you, I think we're gonna create a forum or something eventually, and where we get a little bit of background of you and stuff, and then ideally we want to coach people that are not better than us.
Yeah.
Like that are not. I don't mean better than us as in like general better than us. I mean better than us at LeetCode. So
Yeah.
if you're better than us at LeetCode, there's no need for us to coach you. You should be coaching us.
You should be coaching us. Yeah.
So
yeah,
we're
yeah.
seeking newer people, beginner people that just need some motivation to get started with LeetCode, or maybe they want to get ahead. Maybe you're not even in college yet. You just want to get ahead. Feel free, come in, and just comment for now. But maybe we'll have a form later where we'll select some people and stuff. So other than that, that's about it. I believe this is gonna be posted Wednesday what is it?
Day the 10th. Oh.
This will be posted Wednesday the 12th.
Thanks. Yeah.
The week after that, we have another coaching episode gonna be coming out. So stay tuned for that. And then that's about it right now.
Yeah.
So any last words, Jose?
No. There was a little tryout today. We were excited to try out this new format to see a venture, how far we can get. Yeah, like Carlos was saying, drop some comments. Tell us what you guys if you guys want to be a part of the coaching show that we have. Where you can put it in the comments. Give us maybe some LeetCode problems you have in mind that you want us to solve it in live on not live on the show. Please drop in the comments. We're happy to see it. And if you want to get shout out, or anything of the sort, leave a comment. And yeah, pretty much it. Thank you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you guys like this new format. Yeah. That's
Nice.
it. I'm good, brother.
All right,
Yeah.
sounds good. Well, new episodes every Wednesday, 8:30.
Everyone's
We'll see you next Wednesday.